Okay, so gawin natin yung weekly horoscope para po sa may mga Sun, Moon at Rising na Aquarius. This is for May 18 hanggang 24. So kung bago ka, subscribe, like, and share. Kung hindi mo alam yung Sun, Moon at Rising mo, sa end of the video may link para mapanood mo. Readings, they are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. For face-to-face for private readings pala muna and spell works, message mo ako. And for face-to-face readings, Friday hanggang Sunday, nasa Oh My Gulay po tayo sa Session Road. Now, this is a progressive reading, meaning, in additional 1 to 3 weeks, medyo mabilis lang, may effect pa tong mga readings sa'yo. So, ano yung na-expect natin? So, Aquarius number 23 piece, literal, Warla. So, andito na sabi nga di ba, parang gusto natin lagi at world peace, di ba? Miss Congeniality ang peg natin. We want world peace, pero sometimes hindi natin ma-achieve talaga ang peace without war at first. Walang gulo. Kasi for us, sabi ng card, para ma-achieve natin yung peace, we also need to achieve first yung point of compromise. Kumaga yung point na, may mga point na we agree to disagree, yung agreements sa mga bagay-bagay. Pero bago kasi ma-reach yun, may gulo muna, may discussion, uncomfortable. So this is what the universe is planning. Medyo it will be medyo uncomfortable yung mga situations. Kasi hahanapin yung universe dito para sa'yo. Tutulungan ng universe na hanapin mo yung tinatawag nating center mo, yung core mo, yung values mo, yung mga bagay na napapanindigan mo at panghahawakan mo. Kumbaga ito na yung parang personal moral standards mo. Meron kasi tayong collective, di ba? Pero may mga bagay na personal, ay, hindi ko siya gagawin, or that's not for me, or hindi ko iti-take yun, blah, blah, blah. So, ito yung point na dun ka tutulungan ng universe at this point. And medyo messy lang siya pag ginawa para sa'yo. Because along the way, number 35, loyal heart. Along the way, since andoon nga na magsiset ka ng moral standards, personal moral standards mo, may mga hindi mag-a-agree sa'yo. Yung mga tipong, hindi okay lang yan, ganyan-ganyan. Pangit na example ko. Pero yung mga tipong parang sabihin natin, yung gumagamit ka ng recreational na, alam mo na, yung ibig ko sabihin, bawal ko sabihin recreational na mga activities. Then, andoon na tinanim sa'yo ng universe na it's a no-no na para sa'yo for various reasons. Pwedeng health reasons. Tapos, syempre, yan na may mga kaibigan tayo na isa't kalahating demonyo na hindi okay lang yan, tuloy mo lang. Minsan, yung mga linya na minsan lang, ngayon lang naman. Minsan gusto kong tanungin sa kanila, gaano ba katalas ang minsan? Meron akong friend na ganyan. Minsan lang naman, ngayon lang naman. O, ending yung budget ko 1,000, nagiging 4,000, nag-shopping kami. Alam ko narinig niya ako. So, andito yung point na it will be a hard thing kasi you will need to distance yourself from them and at the same time, while you are distancing yourself and placing boundaries, number 21, clean it up. So, this is a moment of literal restructuring yourself na. This is a time na medyo babaguhin natin yung approaches natin, babaguhin natin yung mga pananaw natin sa life, and this is a moment na the universe will allow you to be in a position na ikaw yung magiging in control. Kumbaga, kasi once you do a clean up, literal, madami kang itatapon. Kailan ba naglinis na walang tinapon, di ba? So, this is the universe saying na it's time for you to remove, to throw away yung mga bagay and even mga relationships na na pag tinignan mo, taga-kolekta na lang talaga sila ng dumi o alikabok sa paligid mo. So, it will, medyo pangit siya pakinggan, pero kasi, if you want growth, kung gusto mo talaga ng expansion in your life, may magtatapon-tapon talaga tayo. And of course, don't worry, kasi kapag nagtapon, we have here is number 46, regeneration. So, doon mag-start pa lang yung healing. Parang siya parang pwede mo siyang tignan na yung sugat, para siya gumaling, kailangan mo malinis muna. So, yun yung purpose ng clean it up mo. Yun yung purpose ng establishing yung boundaries para yung mga linta sa paligid mo, yung mga tao na hindi na nagko-contribute doon sa well-being ng energy mo, matanggal mo na sila. This will help for you to welcome yung mga bagay na pine-prepare ng universe para sa'yo. And that includes your healing. Ngayon, akala mo na, ang healing kasi hindi lang naman to physical, hindi lang mental. It could be also spiritual. It could be also about your relationships. It could be also maraming klaseng healing. So, huwag mong ipapako na na hanggang doon lang yung healing na gagawin ng universe. Because holistic ang pagpapagaling ng universe sa bawat isa sa atin. Okay. Okay, next natin is number 38, to be fair. Ayan na nga. Medyo, of course, if we have been a giver for quite some time, andoon na naging available tayo for people, syempre, andoon na mag-expect na yung mga yan. Andiyan na yung point na nasanay na sila na ganun ka. And once you pull back, alam mo na, sasabihin na sa'yo na parang minsan lang naman, yung mga ganon na, pinakaayaw ko naririnig yung sasabihin nila sa isang tao na, yan pala yung totoo mong kulay. Without realizing, kaya ganun siya nag-react, yung ganun yung tao, it's because hindi talaga yung totoo niyang ugali. Reaction yun doon sa mga ginagawa nila. Na huwag ka magpapadala doon sa mga linyahan nilang ganon sa'yo na, ayan pala yung totoo mong kulay. No, it is your reaction to the actions they did against you. And that's valid. That's normal. Kung hindi nila matanggap yung consequences ng actions nila and how you reacted to them, pag-isipan mo na. Kailangan pa ba sila taga sa life mo? Or nagte-take lang sila ng space? Kumbaga parang feeder lang ba sila? Kasi, with number 52 mending, the card is also advising na may mga old relationships na sabihin natin na set aside, andoon na forgotten, andoon na binitawan, that needs to be addressed accordingly. Kumbaga, ito yung moment that the universe will allow you to reestablish some of them. Pwedeng ma-open yung communication nyo ulit, baka naman, hindi natin alam, payagan ng universe na magkita kayo ulit ng landas along the way or somewhere down the road, ganyan. And andoon na, take that opportunity to mend the relationship. Ngayon, hindi naman dahil na makikipagbati tayo, kailangan bumalik kayo sa dating kayo. No, it's not a requirement. But it's required to forgive and to let go. But going back to the same energies, hindi siya required. Kasi we have here is number 7, to the sea. Now, I understand na bakit ang tagal bago mo kino-consider na magkaroon ka ulit ng contact with them kasi you felt betrayed, andoon na from your perspective, ikaw yung dehado. Pero eto na yung moment kasi the universe wants you to understand yung perspective naman nila. Kumbaga, ilalagay ka ng universe yung sabi niyang walking a mile in their shoes para andoon na you will also appreciate yung forgiveness and yung release na pareho nyong marireceive in this process. Now, sino bang deities na kasama mo ngayon? So, we have here is the sun, number 1. So, center self and a wish to shine. And Mercury, kung saan ang gamot ay laging bago. Number 3, travel, communication, and a wish to adapt. So, this is also, the card is saying that this is a moment na literal, it's all about you. Literal na, ikaw muna yung bida sa sarili mong kwento. And it is also a moment na it's good to speak what is in your heart. Kasi huwag mong isosuppress yung emotions mo. Because what I'm getting here with collectively sa cards, there are some of you na nasanay kayo na kinikim-kim nyo na lang yung sarili yung emotions, yung kung ano man yung iniisip nyo. And it's causing some minor ailments. So, pwedeng shortness of breath, migraines, sleepless nights, and even heartburns. So, this is also a way of the universe helping you na ma-release yung mga energies na yon in a proper way na kung saan hindi naman ikaw yung mahihirapan or masasaktan, but andoon na it will give you the healing that you also need. I hope nakatulong yung readings. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Kung bago ka, subscribe, like, and share. For private reading Spellworks, message mo ako. And Friday till Sunday sa Oh My Gulay sa Session Road, may face-to-face readings po tayo. Aquarius, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. God bless. Namaste. Hare Krishna. And blessed day and hope to see you soon. From Naga City, have a great day. Goodbye for now.